So, good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you the accounting treatment for partners commission. Yesterday, I have taught you the two methods of calculating partners commission. Yes or no? Now today we will learn about the accounting treatment. Means what journal entries are required to be passed for partners commission. Okay. So here you just see commission to partners. Okay. So commission to partners is an income of the partner. Yes or no? Okay. Commission, the partners will receive commission. So that is an income of the partner. Okay. Now what entry is passed? You see here. For allowing commission to partner account debited, to partners current account, to partners capital account. Okay, either it will be to partners current account or it will be to partners capital account. So here you see commission to partner account is debited. Why? Because it is an income for the partner but it is an expense for the firm. Now as we prepare the books of the firm, okay, so this entry, okay, this transaction will be treated as an expense for the firm, and we know when expense increases it should be debited. So commission to partners account is debited to partners current account. Okay, so when we prepare, okay, in case of partners current account, okay, when capital is fixed, we prepare partners current account or partners capital account, and when capital is fluctuating we prepare partners capital account. Only this account, partners capital account. So when capital is fixed we credit partners current account, and when capital is fluctuating we credit partners capital account. Okay, very simple. Okay, it is just commission to partners account debited, to partners current account if capital is fixed, to partners capital account if capital is fluctuating. Only that portion. Okay, and you know what is capital is fixed, capital is fluctuating. Okay, so that I have explained you in my earlier classes. Okay. So now what will be the next entry? You see here, for closing the commission account. Now in order to close this account, okay, you have to transfer the amount of commission to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so profit and loss appropriation account debited to commission to partners account, because profit and loss appropriation account, okay, it is prepared for the partners. Okay, the partners share of profits are shown. Okay, so in that account, okay, the commission to partners is transferred in the debit side. Okay, in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, it's an income for the partner and an expense for the firm. Okay, hope you have understood these two entries. From tomorrow onwards, we will continue with the sums, okay, relating to commission to partners. Okay, thank you for today.